And so I went ahead and ordered a hummingbird feeder, and it just came, and I want to show you. I'm about to go hang it up outside. Stained glass, I guess it is stained glass technically, and it's got the different sections, and I went ahead and ordered some hummingbird nectar with it. So come hang it up with me. It does come with all the hooks and the string and even a little spoolie to clean it out. Isn't it so beautiful? Let's go hang it up. So I do already happen to have a hook out here that had a flower pot on it. I just connected the S hook. It comes like this piece already. So you just slide it right in. And I guess this piece is designed to keep ants from going into your feeder. And I'm gonna hang it up now. Hopefully my hummingbirds will come to it from the flowers behind it. So to fill the hummingbird feeder, it's gonna hang like this, but we're gonna turn it upside down and just unscrew the base. Just like that. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it, especially since I'm not in the kitchen. We'll see. The base, this is blown glass, by the way. I said stained glass, but it's blown glass. I'm just gonna do it that much for now, about a quarter way full.